Welcome to Saturday Showcase, where I spotlight journaling finds, happy mail, and thoughtful gifts from the past week. I hope you'll stay tuned and keep watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hi guys, and welcome to the channel, and welcome to today's Saturday Showcase. I am going to do a couple of things. I'm going to do my little Temu haul, and please stick around because at the very end of the video I am going to show you something extremely special that I won in a giveaway. So first I got the pink bag. I can see what's in it and get to it quickly. And right now I have all of the orders that I put in there. Here is the acorn. Y'all know how I love fall. Do I have you zoomed out all the way? Something tells me I don't. I knew I didn't. Okay, so there was the acorn dies. I'll be putting them to good use. These gorgeous fabric flowers. Look at this, they're in gray, they're in pink, they're in a mustard yellow, they're in, I thought they were in pink. Yes, like a dusty rose pink. They are in a gray and a lavender. They're multicolored, and I think there's 50 pieces. But come this fall, and I'm gearing up for, I will be doing a lot of different fall journaled stuff. Look at this. Is this not cool for fall? It is a brilliant, almost like it's on fire orange, but it is really pretty. And here's my fall stickers. These are all just fall leaf themed. Very pretty. So they're just a variety. Aren't they gorgeous? Very pretty. I'll be using those. There's some neat stuff in here. And there's some stuff that I was like, wish I hadn't ordered it because now I don't know what to do with it. Okay, then I have the little strawberry cabochons. These strawberries are adorable. Fun for a gardening journal or a whimsical Valentine's. You could put strawberries on cute little hearts or decorations. These were really cool. These are just, they call them resin, but they're just plastic oak leaves. Different kind of maple. All the different kinds of fall leaves in this heavy duty plastic, and I thought those will look good. Those will look great on something. Then I got my holographic dragonflies. There's, I don't know how many in the pack. I think there's probably 20. But they're really cool. I didn't want to open them up since you can see they're just in blues and pinks and they're holographic. Then, this is my little birdie die. So I can make little birdies for my journals. Or who knows, maybe a die spot. But there's the little body, the wings, the body, you do this in one color, then this in one color, and then each of those in one color. It's going to be very cute. So I'm going to pull out my birds and balloons and then just die cut some. See what kind of interesting birds we can come up with. Okay, and then these were same thing, but it's ladybugs. This one is another set of dragonflies, only in the plain dragonfly colors. These ones were not holographic. but equally as beautiful. And then they're in different colors as well. Isn't he gorgeous? So, multicolored dragonflies. I am just totally infatuated by butterflies here. See, look at the little flowers. Oh, sorry. It'll focus here in just a minute. It's got little flowers on it. Well, maybe it's not wanting to focus. Sorry. But that was so cute. See the little flowers? How cool is that? I don't think I've ever gotten anything from these guys that cool. So these are worth definitely having. See, they're all just different ones. That one's like a tie-dye. Beautiful. Gorgeous. These will be used. My husband said more stuff. I said yes, so when I retire I won't have to buy any. Beautiful little leaf. I don't have that pattern. These are my safety pins. I'm going to do something with lace on these. These were more dragonflies. Oh, only so cool. Look at these. These are resin. Aren't those cool? Like a heavy duty plastic. But they got beads in them. Whoever did them put the beads in there. So awesome. They're different. Like I said, they're each little different. Different dragonflies. So pretty. So I'll be using those as well. And I'm just going to do a whole detailed dragonfly journal. These are my hummingbirds. And they're just little plastic charms. Can you see? Maybe you can't. Let me just get one of them out of here. They're really cute. And I have a co-worker who is always making us stuff. And she likes pink and she likes hummingbirds. So I'm going to make her a hummingbird and I'm going to use these for the charms. Again, very cute. Very, very, very cute. So I was not disappointed in this haul except for these. I got 3 of these great big giant acorns and I thought, well, you know what? I could cut them in half and I could glue them on a page. I could definitely do that. Then I got the fall colored chiffon. I got these. This is a leaf notepad, but look at the leaves. These are so realistic. I said, I want them. I can either use them for what they're intended as little notepads, little piece, you know, to write stuff on. Or I could just glue them into the journal. Pretty cool, huh? This was my big haul. Yes, I told him, well, you know, when I retire, I won't have to shop and just stay at home and craft. These are those resin flowers that I had showed you before, but just in pinks and greens and whites. And these are leaves. Same thing, just a chunky leaves. There's some fall leaves in there. There's 4-leaf clovers. Just a different variety of leaves. And big butterflies, the resin butterflies. Again, I was completely, absolutely thrilled with getting these. Look at how gorgeous. To be glued down. Love, love, love. And I have 3 more little pieces in here that I haven't shown you. These are ghosts for Halloween. Same thing, just little ghost charm. And then little tiny resin butterflies, just the same as the large ones, only just different colors and not quite that same size. And then look at my fall shaker filler. Those are all little fall type leaves. I don't know if you can see them. Aren't those cool? Maybe they're better. That I don't want to lose them everywhere. I really truly don't. See if I can get them to open without incident. They do not want to open, guys. I'm terrified of opening them right now, honestly. So anyhow, I'll show them to you whenever the time comes. All right, so that was my big Temu haul. And now we're going to get to the giveaway. Okay. So I started watching Betsy over on Musefulcreations, and she has a shop, and her shop is called Innovative Stamp Creation. So she's also a stamp creator. She makes her own rubber stamps, and then I don't know what all she has in her shop, but I do know she does rubber stamps, and I think some other stuff. But I'll put a link to her channel in the description box, so once you see what I won, you can head over there and get a look at her channel and her shop. So she wrapped it really well. Oh, I was so excited to receive this because I was on the live when I saw her make it. And it is fabulous. It is fabulous. Are you ready? Look at that. It is so pretty on the channel, but it is far prettier in person. Oh, I wish you could feel it. She did this on canvas. This print on canvas. I love it. Oh, and then she used a large envelope made by hand, hecho a mano. And she was making these flowers that night, and I just loved the flowers. A little pocket here with some. Oh my gosh, look at that, with some little file folders in it. These are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my Lord. I'm in heaven. And then here's a little place to write. This is so incredible. I tell you, it was a privilege when I was just watching her. I didn't have any idea she was going to redraw or anything. Oh my gosh, this is just beautiful. The detail in this print. Beautiful butterfly. The clock in the sunflower. And then the knob for the door is amazing. Oh goodness, look, this is just gorgeous. This folds down and then you have writing space here. Oh my goodness. And here we have an envelope with a tuck spot and writing space. This is just beautiful. This is just beautiful. We have some paper. Oh, I love this. This is phenomenal. Oh my goodness. And she recently subscribed to my channel, which was another bonus. I was like, oh no, I feel so honored and privileged because this woman can create like fabulous stuff. Isn't this beautiful? So she did it, I had traveler's notebook style, so you can add to or take from. Here's the rest of the pages. This is just incredible. Beautifully beautifully put together. I love it. Oh, and the back page. The back page, it's phenomenal. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Like I said, what a privilege. I have to make one of these. I truly do. I love how she did this, and she shows how to do this on her channel. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This is so, man, I don't even, words can't describe. Handmade, Betsy, and then her last name 2026 at Musefulcreations. And she signed it. And see what she did was she put she cut out the windows and then she put the image of the woman behind. See, this is, oh, I just love it. So, Betsy, this is going to my office and it's going to be on my desk for the whole world to see. Anybody that comes in my office will see it. I love how realistic this woman looks. Her clothes, everything. It's like she could reach out. Oh, beautiful. I love it. All right. Thank you guys for coming with me to see my treasured win, and I'm so appreciative of all of you. And watch for the link to her channel in the description box below. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.